Good day everyone. Here we are at Tapa R&R. We actually didn't start the recording from GP. So we had actually left a GP at around 8:30 in the morning, and we were met with a bit of jam in the crossing over towards checkpoint because of the many bikes which were going back after work shift. So it was quite a bit of jam, and we also wanted to kickstart and get ourselves out in the road. So now we have actually passed KL, and we have also crossed over to just before Cameron Highlands at Tapa R&R. This is our second stop. So we took a fuel refill at GP, and then we pushed on to Ayer Keroh, where we took our first pit stop, and after that we pushed on to Ayer Keroh. So now we are just at Ayer Keroh. We have filled up. We got a little bite just from here, the Petronas, and we have done our prayers. So we are all ready and all set to go. Time is just at 1:37. We had left GP at 8:45 in the morning. So I believe we are in good time, although I did wish to leave a little earlier, but I was a bit postponed. But nonetheless, the weather has been good. It hasn't yet rained. Weather isn't too hot. It's bearable, but yeah, let's keep going, Yeah, let's keep going. Let's go. about 190 kilometers to KL. We have just passed Ipoh and heading down, and there's an exit of Sengkang Pulai just up ahead. So it's just very nice, the scenery, you know. So I thought I'd stop and, you know, take a few pictures now that the sun is up also. It's so much natural ranges, you know, in terms of the trees, the forests, and you know, the landscape is just amazing as you drive when you ride around.